Welcome to Jack Short's Workplace Communication Lesson 29. And in this lesson, I'm going to look specifically at interviews. So, key considerations for recruiters and buyers, because those are the two instances where you will really use interviews. You'll use an interview when you are looking for a new employee and when you are doing your vendor selection. So purposes, find the right person for the job. You will be able to assess professionalism in terms of conduct and appearance, and you will be able to evaluate the person's or the vendor's capability. There are certain types of questions that we use in interviews and in business. Firstly, there are the closed questions, and these are simple. It's just a yes or no. Then there are open-ended questions. These encourage participation and extract information. Then we have specific questions. These are used to get information. For example, how far did you travel? It's got a clear answer to it. Then there is leading questions, and those are used to steer someone in a direction. For example, would you say? And these are more used to assess attitude. And then, of course, we also have hypothetical questions, and this is to check the responses, and it does not require a answer that is correct. Then, interesting type of question that is used in interviews is the Oxford type question. So you can have the Shakespeare debate. These are just examples. Was Shakespeare high when he wrote A Midsummer Night's Dream? Maybe you should see A Midsummer Night's Dream before you answer that. The monkey paradox. Would it be okay for monkeys to experiment on humans? Basically implying, is it then okay for humans to experiment on monkeys? I'll leave that to you. The poor economist. Is it okay for an economist to be poor? And when we use the Oxford type questions, it is to assess critical reasoning skills and to encourage unorthodox thinking. Your takeaway for critical thinking: dig deeper, stay curious, ask better questions to get better answers. And to summarize the principle, focus on open-ended questions and value it when somebody gives you an answer that is not what you would normally expect, because it shows that that is a person that can be thinking out of the box.